Hey, Tribe. If you're like me, one of the things that I really enjoy about YouTube is that you get to see so many different personalities. You get to see so many different ways of life and so many things. And that a lot of times now it's starting to seem like everybody's doing the same thing, right? Like the aesthetic is the same for everybody. Everybody has them stark white kitchens and those just white couches and and stuff like that. But the truth is people are really getting tired of everything being the same. What I believe is that one of the things that YouTube is missing is you. We need people, especially people who are like my age, who are over 40, who have lived a great deal of life, who have lived through a lot of things in life. People are looking for real experiences. They are looking to overcome their obstacles, but they need your testimony. They need to learn from somebody who is experienced and someone who can tell them like it really is. So today we're going to talk about why you need to get on YouTube today. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. I think one of the things that we really need to focus on, I know a lot of people are like, well, I'm not good in front of the camera, or what am I going to go on here and say? Like, who cares about what's going on in my life, or who cares about, my knowledge? But there is somebody for everybody, right? You are for somebody. And what I realize is that there is not a lot of information or not a lot of people who are giving testimonials about their experiences and what has been going on in their life. One of the great reasons why someone, especially over 40, should be on YouTube, because we are that generation who the TV used to go off. Do y'all remember when TV went off? Or I remember first getting cable and feeling like we were rich because cable wasn't like a thing for a long time. Or I remember when stores would close on Sundays, like that was the time when you were supposed to be at home with your family, right? And I believe that this younger generation is really trying to get back to that. So you see a lot of people talking about homesteading, homeschooling, what's the hashtag, like hashtag trad wife or traditional wife, and things like that. But nobody has been there to teach them how to do these things. Everything that they've likely learned has been about being fearless, being powerful, and doing all these other things. But a lot of women are finding that that's not really what they want. And even for the men, some men didn't grow up with fathers or uncles who were able to teach them things. This is a great opportunity for you to go on YouTube and teach people what you know. And that's kind of what I do with my channel. In my expertise, I have HR in my background. I was in the military, so I have a lot of leadership skills that I think a lot of the younger generation lack, because they are very skilled in what they do, say accounting or something like that, but nobody taught them soft skills. Nobody taught them how to talk to people, or why is it that they're having a hard time getting a job? Well, your personality sucks because you are great at what you do, but nobody's going to want to deal with you. I hate to say it like that, but like that's kind of what it is. So if you are over 40, that this is the perfect opportunity for you to come on YouTube to show off your expertise. Another thing that I think of is like women in tech. You don't get to hear what the journey is like. People are tired of hearing about the book standard and, what you need to know as far as knowledge base. But what we need to know is like, okay, who do we need to know? What are the other skills that we need to know? What are the technical things that we need to know? Those are the type of things that we need to see on YouTube. And you can talk about your experience, especially if you've been on your job for 15 years or more and seen changes. And what do you believe are the changes that are coming in your industry? This is what people want to see. And then also giving your testimony about anything. If you are a housewife and you enjoy being a housewife, show other moms who are having a hard time, or other wives who are having a hard time, how should they live that? That is like what I want to do on my channel. I don't want to just tell you how to be a great leader. I want to show you how to do it. And that is the thing that I think that people are really looking for. Like I was talking to my friend the other day and she was talking about how she enjoyed my vlog and said, like, we nosy. We want to see how you doing it. What happened? Like, what is the next thing? We want to see that. And I understand that now. And I just wanted to share that with you all, that that is something that you should consider, is coming over to YouTube. And it's not just about the monetization. Yes, that is like a great part of it. Like, because who don't want to get monetized? You can get sponsorships and things like that, even as you're growing a small audience. But teach people what you wish you would have learned when you were younger. What are the things in relationships that you wish you would have known? What are the technical things that you wish you would have known? These are the types of things that you can share. And we are a unique group of people where we can relate to both sides. We relate to older people because we know about sitting on the phone like this and stringing up the cord around your finger and and just doing things in an old school way. But we're also techie and we know how to do the new things, but we have to find a middle ground so that everybody is getting what they need. So don't be afraid to share your expertise and use your phone. That's what you're paying $1,500 for a phone for, right? I record all of my YouTube videos on my cell phone. I don't have a special camera. I just got this light like right before I came back to YouTube. Like I just got it recently. I think I paid like $30 for it on Amazon. Amazon got everything. You hear me? Cause what? You need to go over there and get what you need from over there, and don't be spending a lot of money, but do it because you want your children and your grandchildren to have something to look forward to. If you want to share these types of videos, especially like if you want to do a family vlogging channel and stuff like that, it would be nice for them to see how they've grown over the years and something that they can look at later on. Or even if you were teaching things when you are long gone, that would still be something that would be out on YouTube that others can glean from, that they can give, that they can receive information from. So that is so important. So if you thought about it, this is your sign to go ahead and get it done. Like, it costs you nothing to get started. The thing is that you just have to start. And if you feel like, well, I'm not that good on camera, most of us ain't. We just get better as we continue to make the videos. I mean, go back and look at some of my first videos. Oh my goodness. But what I've learned that with my personality, as long as I'm being myself, those are my best videos. Those are my most viewed videos. So I've learned to just be myself. I don't have to sound like super technical. I don't have to, be so poised and, up and, and I don't have to do all that. I can just be myself. Y'all know I laugh at my own jokes. Like I amuse myself, but I keep it very conversational. Do whatever it is that you have to do, but don't be afraid to share, because guess what? Now that we are in this so-called recession, and as we are moving towards the end of the year, you are likely going to look for more ways to earn an income. And if you start now, you are able to grow your channel. You'll quickly be able to move into monetization. Now, I ain't going to say how quick, because my focus right now, honestly, is to up my subscribers. So like right now I'm at 65 subscribers. I would love by the end of the month to be at least 200. I know that's like a big jump, but it is what it is. That's one of my goals, because I would love to share with you all the types of things that I love, all the products that I love, and all the information that I have, so that it'll help you to grow. So give it a shot. See if you like it. But I'm telling you, it's so much opportunity. And even if you are technical, if you work for a company and you want to showcase your skills, YouTube is a great way to just shoot somebody a video. If they want to know, well, how do you know about this? You can dive deep into it on your YouTube channel, and then you can just shoot out videos to whoever asks for the information. It's so many different ways that you can use YouTube. So I encourage you to get started. Okay, so what are some ideas for some channels that you have? Well, for an idea of how you want to do your channel, what would your channel be about? I would love to hear it in the comments. Don't forget to please subscribe, because a lot of y'all watching my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe and help me hit my subscriber goal. And don't forget to share this video with someone else that you believe that this would benefit. And if you're like, the fall is coming, I need a shift, I need a restart, check out this next video where I go into the fall transformation, where you can learn about how to transform each level of your life. So your finances, your physical routine, all things like that. Check out this video here so you can get more information about that. I love you guys to life. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.